So this is the Merrill Norman Sharpie holder. This one's cut in half. It's still got to be touched up. This is not a final. But I'm going to have Chuck pop the lid off. We're not even going to change the video or try to make this look extra nice. So that will fit whatever you want. But we rolled up $30,000 in cash. $30,000 cash does fit in there. A nice watch could fit in there. Or some jewelry or whatever. If we make this as a jewelry box, we will probably line it with felt, I'm guessing. Get my upholstery, got to do something nice. But this is the premise behind it. In the end, this particular brand, Merrill Norman, will be made for makeup brushes. In the meantime, I just threw them together for some Sharpie holders. So the owner of Merrill Norman actually came up with this idea. He's like, well, could you cut it in half and put, make the bottom hollow so we could put something in it? And this is what we came up with. Can you stick that lid back on there or no? Or just let me see the top. That might not even be the right way. It only fits one way. So this is set up for Sharpies. We'll get some Sharpies in that in a few minutes and take some pictures. So I decided to go ahead and throw the markers in there to give you an idea what it's going to look like. The ones on the left are highlighters, the ones on the right are Sharpies. We use retractable ones, which I like a lot. So I'll just give you a quick idea what we're doing, and of course it comes apart. You can fill it full of cash or whatever. We can configure these to hold pretty much anything. So there you go.